Hey there, Mike with AWM Water Features here. We are at Frederik Meijer Gardens and we are super excited about this project. We are rebuilding a 20-year-old wetland filter, which is behind me. So that is the filter that takes care of this huge 80-foot by 40-foot koi pond. It has just a beautiful couple of waterfalls on it, but they've started to have some issues with some water quality, and so we're going to put this new wetland filter in to help them with that. They've had issues with sediment collecting in the bottom, and then the koi stir it up, so it's kind of cloudy. So we're going to install a new wetland filter, better biological filtration, and then also it is going to help take care of some of that sediment in the suspended in the water column. So super excited to show you guys the time lapse and the final product on this. We might even do some before and afters of the water quality, and yeah, looking forward to show you folks. Well, we're done with day one, and it's getting dark, and it is sprinkling a little bit. It is supposed to get down to the low 30s tomorrow. So we got about half of the wetland filter excavated. Here's kind of back where we're working. You can see the there. You can see the path that the dump trucks are taking. And the wetlands filter is just kind of right behind the tent that we got up. We had to take down the sidewalls because there's supposed to be there's a wind advisory tonight here. So yeah, so interesting weather, but we had a great day and looking forward to rocking it out tomorrow. Sand delivery for the Frederik Meijer Garden wetland filter. We got all these awesome super sacks lined up. That all has some of the 2 to 3 inch gravel that we'll be putting in the wetland filter. These super sacks are a lifesaver because we actually pick these up and then we put them over the wetland filter and open up the siphon in the bottom, and they all just start falling out. And the excavator can just basically put the gravel wherever we want. So here's my view from the excavator. This is the wetland filter that we're putting in. These channels here, right here, and right here, are where these centipedes are going to lay. And then the slightly lower part at the end there is where the snorkel is going to sit and then come up. And that'll allow this wetland filter to be cleaned, which previously the old wetland filter that they had did not allow that. So we would drop a pump down through the snorkel to the bottom, and then that clean out pump would be sucking water through, and all of these centipedes that are lined up here, everything would just drain into that lower area and then to the lowest area in the snorkel, and everything would get pumped out. And that's how, a little bit more of a process involved than that, but basically how you clean a wetland filter, and how we're going to be able to do that for Frederik Meijer Gardens and get them some better water quality. I'm sitting next to the sand pile here, and I'm about ready to put that in. What's going to happen is, you can see we've hit clay, and it's really rough, and in a few spots it's a little mushy. So we're going to put the sand in not only to level it, but also firm it up a bit. And then everything on this upper area should be level, and everything through those trenches should be level. And once we've done that, then we'll put in the underlayment and the liner, and underlayment again. and then put in the mechanicals, lock them into place with cobbles, and then we'll put the aqua blocks in, which are over there. The guys have started to build these black, there you go, the black aqua blocks there. And that's a layer that will go in above the snorkel and, above the centipedes. And then once those are in, then we get all of the bags of gravel in the super sacks, in those white super sacks, and we put those in layers until we get to the top. So we have the centipedes and snorkels in. We have them locked in with the cobbles alongside the centipedes. You can see the fine craftsmanship here, because what we need to do is have this be perfectly flat so that we can put the aqua blocks over the top. And it's maybe hard to see in the video, but those are all perfectly level with the top of the centipede and the shelf here. So we're going to get the aqua blocks in soon, put them right over the top of that. Water's going to come in the centipede, going to percolate up into the aqua blocks and spread out in the aqua blocks, and then come up through all the gravel. Delivering the super sacks. That's the 1 to 2 inch. So these super sacks, as I've said, are lifesavers. They save us a ton of time. And here's Eric setting one up to get put in the wetland filter.